What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel with your host, JP. Today we have a beautiful modern farmhouse to tour for you guys today here in the heart of Studio City here in Los Angeles, California. This home right behind me features 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, just over 4,100 square feet of interior space, and is currently on the market for $3,095,000. Also, I want to say a big thank you to the 2 listing agents of this property, Nina and Rosalyne, for letting me tour their amazing listing. I will leave all their information in the description down below. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, as we begin on the exterior of this amazing property, I want to first point out this 2-car driveway that you have right here with those turf patterns leading all the way up to that garage door. And as we look closely at the exterior, we see a 2-car garage with those amazing modern glass panels. We also do see 2 types of wood featured on the exterior. We have the traditional light oak wood shown right here extending to the 2nd floor. And we also have a combination of that with the white wooden paneling that extends to the 2nd floor as well. We also see some beautiful landscaping surrounding this entire area as well. Amazing light fixture and some more of that light oak wood clad right around this area. And let's head inside. So as we first step foot inside this amazing property, we are greeted by this beautiful formal living space. First, I want to go ahead and point out some of the details that are built into the wall right here. So we have this amazing dark marble, which is surrounded by this light oak wood. We also have some built-in light oak wooden floating shelving right here. And right below that is going to be the amazing gaslit fireplace with some crystalline features shown inside of there. Very beautiful feature, and I do like that a lot. And if you guys follow me right here, we actually see some more of that custom wooded paneling surrounding this entire side of the wall as well. And if you guys follow me over to my left-hand side, this is going to be space for the 2-car garage. Very self-explanatory area, but again, you see those glass panels that we saw on the exterior over on the interior as well. If you guys first follow me right in here, this is going to be classified as bedroom number 1, currently staged as an office space. Again, you have some more of those windows that let in tons of natural light to this room. And shown over on this side of the wall, we see some more of that custom wooden paneling that we did see on the outside of this bedroom. If you guys follow me right inside of here, this is going to be the ensuite bathroom, complete with a beautiful quartz countertop, some nice custom wooden cabinetry shown right below, an amazing light fixture shown right above that mirror. And if you guys further follow me right in here, this is going to be the glass enclosed walk-in shower space with a beautiful stone design wrapping around this entire shower, and that same stone actually wraps around on this beautiful side of the bathroom as well. I also like how that stone floor complements with that dark stone shown on that side of the wall. And then we are led back into a nice light oak wood. Also shown right in front of me, this is going to be the closet space built into this side of the wall. You have space which extends almost all the way up to that ceiling in that beautiful custom wood as well. And these doors are soft closing as well. Beautiful feature. And shown directly to the left-hand side of that formal living room, we have the formal dining table. And guys, just take a look at that magnificent light fixture shown right above there. I absolutely love that feature. That is so beautiful. And we see a couple of picture windows shown on this side of the wall as well, looking out to your beautiful greenery. You have tons of open space in here. This is also currently shown to sit up to 6 of your guests. And if you guys further follow me right here, this is going to be the glass enclosed wine storage area. So let's go ahead and take a look right inside of here. So we have more of that beautiful oak wood, which extends all the way up to that ceiling. Plenty of racks to hold all of the owner's favorite bottles of wine. And also we see some more built-in shelving shown right below that. And if you guys further follow me right over here, we see some more of that built-in custom wooden cabinetry shown right below and above that custom oak wooden countertop. And if you guys follow me right inside of here, this is going to be the powder room shown on the 1st floor of the property. So shown right in here, we have some more of that beautiful marble countertop, below some more of that custom oak wood and cabinetry, an amazing mirror right here. I really love the circular design and the 2 light fixtures shown on either side. We see some more of that custom wooden paneling shown on this side of the wall. And again, that window lets in so much natural light inside of this room. If we continue our tour, we are going to be led into the amazing informal living room, guys. Take a look at this. This space is absolutely beautiful. So spacious, and I really love the open concept. You have that free-flowing design which leads directly to your kitchen space as well. If you guys follow me right over on this side as well, we see some more of that built-in oak wood and cabinetry shown right below that countertop, and some more built-in floating shelving shown right above there as well. And this informal living space also seamlessly connects over to that kitchen. I want to go ahead and take you guys over here right now. So we see some more of that beautiful quartz countertop shown right here. And this is going to be the breakfast bar extended from that center island right over here. Currently shown to sit up to 4 of your guests, but you could probably sit another one shown on the end right over there. If you guys follow me right here, we see some more of that beautiful custom wooden cabinetry shown right below and above this quartz countertop. Some amazing tiled backsplash, which does follow this entire kitchen around all the way over there as well. And then these windows let in so much natural light to this kitchen. Very beautiful space. I also love these 2 hanging light fixtures right above. Very modern and sleek design, and I do like that a lot. Also shown in this kitchen, we have some custom oak wooden cabinetry, which complements that white wooden cabinetry shown on my right-hand side very well. I do like that a lot. This is going to be the stainless steel Kraus design sink space, and shown right in here, we actually have a built-in microwave as well, done by Thermador. And right over here, this is going to be the built-in dishwasher area. And shown over to the left-hand side of me, we have the beautiful stainless steel Thermador designed 6-burner stovetop, and you have this matte black finish pot filler shown right above there as well. This is going to be the built-in stainless steel refrigerator done by Thermador. Very beautiful interior, and I always love seeing these refrigerators in these homes. It's so beautiful. And if you guys follow me right down over here, this is going to be the walk-in pantry. So if you guys follow me right inside of here, we have amazing storage which extends almost all the way up to that ceiling, and I really can't even reach that, guys. I'm 6'3", and I'd probably need a ladder to get up there. And then right here, this is going to be some more custom wooden cabinetry shown right below this quartz countertop, and some more of that custom wood shown right above. And if you guys follow me right over here, this is going to be some additional storage shown on the first floor of this property. And you can see that storage actually extends all the way back here, going under the stair set as well. And then shown to the left-hand side of me, we have that beautiful oak wood, which extends all the way up to the 2nd floor. An amazing light fixture, which is suspended from the wall almost all the way down to this floor as well. Very beautiful space. We'll go ahead and show you guys that floor in just a little bit. Follow me, and let's go ahead and check out the amazing backyard space. Let's go. So an amazing feature about these glass doors is that they actually pocket all the way into the wall and they disappear. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So here we go. These doors are now invisible, and you have a seamless integration from that interior heading over into the exterior. We have this beautiful stone design on the flooring shown right here, right next to this amazing seating area, and this nice shaded awning that extends outside of the property. Very beautiful space. And if you guys follow me right over here, this is going to be the built-in barbecue area, and we actually have that large stone countertop which extends over here, currently shown to sit up to 3 of your guests. If you guys follow me right back here, this stainless steel barbecue was actually designed by Turbo and is amazing. Now follow me right back down here. We also see that beautiful turf extending on this entire side of the backyard. Really nice and bright green. I do like that a lot. This backyard is also surrounded with some amazing ficus trees, which do provide tons of privacy inside of this backyard space. And if you guys follow me right over here, some more of those turf patterns extending on this side of the property. And we have this beautiful pool space, and I love this space so much. And this hot tub is also extended up from that pool as well, with some more of that beautiful tile work shown right around there as well. Absolutely beautiful. This pool just looks so inviting, and I think from this side of the home, it looks absolutely tremendous, guys. Take a look at that view that you have. And shown right next to this pool space, you guys might have missed it, we have this really unique fire pit design that is shown in the floor right there. I really love that, and the crystalline feature shown inside of there as well. Very amazing feature. If you guys follow me right down over here, we actually have a cabana which is separate from the main side of the house, featuring more of that beautiful wood paneling shown on the exterior. And let's go ahead and head inside. So shown right inside of here, we have some more of that beautiful oak wooden flooring, an amazing fireplace surrounded with that dark stone, and a wooden floating shelf shown right above there. Beautiful seating area, and again you have a vaulted ceiling with some more of those beautiful wooden posts shown right above me. This cabana is also en suite, and we have the beautiful bathroom right here. I love the wood floors that they use inside of here. I think it complements very well with the light oak wood shown on those cabinet spaces. Very beautiful. And if you guys follow me right in here, this room is also equipped with a walk-in shower space. Absolutely amazing dark tile work surrounding this entire area. I really love this dark, modern, and sleek design shown inside of this bathroom. So we have just checked out that amazing backyard space. Now follow me back inside the home, and let's go ahead and head upstairs. Now follow me down here, guys, and we have the beautiful oak wooden stair set. Follow me right up here, and shown over to my left-hand side is an absolutely amazing light fixture. I love the way that it suspends almost all the way down to the second floor. That's very beautiful, and I do like that a lot. And we have now made it to the second floor of the property. So shown right in front of me is some beautiful built-in oak wooden cabinetry and some designated desk spaces shown right over here, currently shown to sit up to 2 people and store tons of items in there. Very beautiful. If you guys follow me over to my right, we have that transition from the oak wood into this beautiful tile work, and this is going to be the designated laundry room. So shown here, we have space for up to 2 appliances. We have some more of that quartz countertop and some custom wooden cabinetry shown right above and below the space as well. Very beautiful. I do like this one a lot. And if you guys follow me right over this way, we're gonna go and check out a couple more bedrooms shown on the top floor of this property. So shown here is a beautiful linen closet with some more of that light custom wood. And shown right in here, this is going to be bedroom number 2, currently shown on the second floor of this property. So shown on the back side of that wall is some more of that custom paneled wood. And here we have some more of that built-in custom wooden cabinetry, similar to the bedroom that we did see over on the first floor of the property. Right here you have tons of open space shown right in here. Absolutely plenty of storage inside of this closet space. Very beautiful. Again, these drawers are soft close as well. And you have this exact same wardrobe, which is mirrored right over here. So you have so much space inside this room. And follow me right inside of here, and this is going to be the ensuite bathroom. So again, a beautiful quartz countertop, some more of that custom wooden cabinetry shown right below. Beautiful light fixture shown right above that mirror. And right in here we have the walk-in shower, which does double as a bathtub. And I really love the dark use of those tiles which surround this entire area of the shower, and some built-in shelving as well. Very beautiful feature. This is going to be bedroom number 3, shown inside of this property. So again, we see some more of that custom wooden paneling shown on the back side of this wall right over here. If you guys take a look right here, we have some more of that built-in shelving, which extends all the way up to that ceiling, offering plenty of storage inside of this room. And shown right in here, this is going to be the Jack and Jill bathroom, which connects bedroom number 3 with bedroom number 4, shown right over here. This Jack and Jill bathroom offers some more of that custom wooden cabinetry shown right below, some beautiful light fixtures shown above that enlarged mirror space. And if you guys follow me right over here, this is going to be the shower bathtub combination shown inside of this Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, some more of that beautiful tile work enclosing this entire shower space, and some designated shelving shown inside of here as well. Now follow me right outside of here, and we're gonna go ahead and check out bedroom number 4. So this is bedroom number 4. Again, some more of that custom wooden paneling on this back side of the wall. This is going to be some more built-in custom wood, which does double as your closet space. Tons of shelving shown right inside of here. And this is going to be the area for hanging clothing and storing shoes, etc. Now guys, follow me right over here. So we have checked out almost the entire space upstairs, but we still have one more amazing room to show you guys, and that is going to be the master bedroom. Let's go ahead and take a look. As we first enter, beautiful vaulted ceiling with that amazing wooden post shown right above. This beautiful modern light fixture which hangs down from that ceiling. If you guys follow me right over here, we see some more of that custom dark wooden paneling shown on the back side of that wall. If you guys follow me right inside of here, you have a beautiful wooden sliding door which leads directly into your master closet. I just love the amount of open space that you have here in this master closet space. The same custom wood that we did see in all the other bedrooms shown inside of this property. All these drawers are going to be soft closing as well. And if you guys follow me right over here, we actually do have some downward sloped shelves shown right over here. A perfect opportunity to store shoes and clothing. Very amazing space. And if you guys follow me right over here, I'm gonna take you inside the master bathroom space. Absolutely beautiful. You have those amazing marble floors extending across this entire room. And if you guys take a look right over here, this is going to be the triple vanity. 2 of them currently are shown with sinks, and this space is mainly shown for a preparation area. I also love the amazing light fixtures that are hanging from that ceiling shown on either side of this vanity space. Very beautiful, and some more of that light oak wood shown right below. If you guys take a look right here, this is going to be the beautiful walk-in shower space for the master bathroom. I just love this space so much. You have 2 rain heads shown right here. You have some body sprays built into this bathroom as well, and some more of that amazing marble which encloses this entire bathroom space. Very beautiful, and some more designated built-in shelving shown on that side of the wall. I do like this space a lot, and some circular tile work shown right below there as well. Shown right in front of me, this is going to be the freestanding tub. Again, some more of that amazing marble work, which is shown on this side of the bathroom space. If you guys follow me right over here, this is going to be the toilet area. Some more of that golden hardware shown right there. And that is going to wrap up our tour for this beautiful property shown here in Studio City. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.